school cadets.
And it's saying chemo.
A Colombia on any security service in Hubiano. My security service and say it's an avenue for creating employment for people. But your money yet to say nipa or wakuma pass or the base security service no. Uncle eti uko schools no a kola soldier someone and security work no one and Hubiano. They form part of the school cadets. They go through all the training and the process. And at the end of the day, and don't forget the cadets in the schools, military for the training woman.
Sure.
And they have the
basics
and the knowledge of the military work and the trench work. And two, they pass through all the tests. And we are all banner out there, no, out of that, and my the number of people I do more military work anymore. Right. But the Korean say one a Germany or my munti create as an avenue for creating employment for people. Or why Ghana will still see this. You better on 50,000 application forms. You know, near about the firm 5,000. Now you and Krofosika. And those people will come out and still blame the government. And then I've told the NDC and I've told them, I will tell them every day, say everything that they said, they should work on it. So almost remember youth in Ejuma with through the security service. The protocol system. You see, I have one of their regional director of YE, Copson, Okobunu regional. On the Facebook or Trey, we are disqualifying these people for what?
Yeah, I think even party for Nankasakura, party members, no, or when you're happy with what is happening, but then. This time now is a bro party no so
yeah.
I could ministry no we in charge especially the interior ministry na woman na share side no so no so na no party for no cry satisfied with some of these things because at the end of the day no this same youth na or form na ye day in the name of online test you failing no true based on that no say nipa no obedwa odwanso a abufuo no ebeba aban no ne chances in the next election so enti it's high time say yeah but now I was wondering you try paid my over 1 million okay Matessa, you say a choir buyer for security services for say ya adopt these strategies and so you better cut it now you better who say you hear 5,000 a year woman.
I say every country be America same way say they be America say every country that have a focus to prioritize the development of its youth.
Sure.
Because say ultimately prioritizing the development of youth. I say edurubrebi or yeah system now to the point say baby ebe who say avenue baby na ya champion youth ni nyina ko baby nursing training no obi e kobi because at the end of the day onim say me we school na benya posting
obenya automatic posting
ye benya backlog sa ma fe cry na abure so
sure
one way a security service ebe duru baby no e fe ebe de say even though krebetinya ton forms that is what happened in the NPP's administration because almost when you pana backlogs ni go now yentimi omutimi ma bontre me kan kire youth ni say we can't employ you but yes hold on it's a group baby that is why an crofo complaining say forms ma bonti who forms security service forms because they were trying to push in the backlogs and no muja wo ni nyina one after the other into the security system and you know say one the youth the youth should be the prioritize of the nation.
Okay.
You create a lot of jobs. You have existing jobs over there. Your existing companies. Are there a lot of companies? Utility tariffs. As it stands now.
Okay.
A lot of companies are dying. The high rate of electricity bills that they are paying. In Kenya do motor or at the end of the month. Taxes are dear goodness so and Kenya do water. On to me enough employment.
Indeed, I buy and create
there should be a waiver.
On create enabling environment. No,
there should be a waiver
on tax utilities or material.
Company way. Ye per se you to do say ye farm. Na mo koye ka mo ebia mo ya ma tax. Ya ma waiver say ebia ya ma sika say utility tariffs, ya so taxes, ya tizeti. Ya ma order say you to do those say for woman in a good sum of payment.
And that means and companies and say almost signing on to the 24-hour economy because incentives here okay in our 24-hour economy no more.
Now the one dia manza 24-hour economy no. Enya oshe.
Yes, enya oshe.
Wow, feel it. No, it shouldn't be like that. If we want to fight economy and unemployment rates in this country, the first thing that we need to do, and it's every company that will be established. Okay, the advanced countries now, Europe, Asia, if you're a private company and you are coming into the country to work, now the country have a percentage of number of people you need to employ.
They say private sector quota be.
Yes, quota.
Say beer.
Over set it up there. Yema waiver, yema tax waiver, utility, yeah, test one amount.
Sure.
But these are the number of people you need to employ.
Sure.
Who employ we are. Those people will work under your conditions by the government giving you enough incentive.
But we share the basis, the financial strength of private companies in Ghana. Despite incentives now by the Bemano, no, do they have the financial strength to say,
they have the muscles.
I employ.
They have the muscles.
Nipa no more than
every investor has the muscles.
Right.
One, we should create a noble market for the demand of that product and Nipa no ever supply.
Right.
It's when the demand is higher, you need more people to work.
Sure.
It's a creating a you need market for that product and Nipa never be the piano. You go back and forth.
Right.
But yet me create a enable market. Edia me babe produce rubber. Rubber na me babe produce no. This is a company me produce market no wo me. Abana ye systems. That's why they say importation of a lot of goods via NDC MPP address or bande ye no. Na me de ye made ne saa ne mani no bande na me de because yentimi nkumu nwan wo kuruma. Yentimi nkuma na ntwe ye wo mayanka wo kuruma ne ye saa kra saa ne mani free baby na eba. Say you create that market ne to near the mass ankrofo na anytime piano the market the demand is higher so it to create an enabling to create an environment for people to be employed into that sector.
Say on your returns now or obetime are extended.
Yes, or why what be a company o company now be a no ebia o produce ebia pipes e wo ho yi
sure
e dey bia we so produce pipes 5,000. Afe wakwa konya a contractor demand number be higher a produce 10,000. Are you not going to do?
You will be compelled.
You will be
forced say obe expand by adding more hands
to it.
Me that's a break over. First na me nanso me number yi. Abusan for number is 0546618774 0546618774 0260196062 enkoma ye de opeso kan bia ubetime awuramu sesia na de adwenkyere no aba security services emrante na toto forms maba wana toto forms say yes yenkoye test ansa according to interior minister ye kwan a ye fa so de atwa ebinumu afiri mu ye twa ebinumu agu nchen efise wona ato forms no nyina ye ntime mfa obi bia wonso wadwenkyere de wo hia. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, me bra Owoahene Acheampong.
Yes sir, James Kofi.
Enkomo amudi na no pe de papa na papa no okasa no wa moni din
ye friend Bretuoba.
Ye friend
Bretuoba.
Na woye duma wo ho.
Ai ne.
Said ne ya bra no pe ye na papa.
Right.
Ye na se na niema ekoso no Owoahene enye. Mi akasa mi sister ni baka ho. Wo mu koye exams no online no. Or answer 2 questions pe. Network ni enye papa or answer 2 questions pe. And the network ni chikwaye.
Right.
Enu anu no. Mesine yesi wa feli. Ya da ben na yeti sa asem no.
Right.
Da ben na yeti sa asem no. Enti ye besre honorable Muntaka. Enkole nyina egufie. Sese mi sister ni ba no wo tonkodu. Otonkodu wo yo ba otonkodu. Adenti na ete bata.
Right.
Sa wo so wo mai. Enti mu apply. Ni apply we are yet enko exam online. Online so mu nimu se mu Samdot mu nimu se network ni papa. What is 2 questions pen or answer enu anu no.
Okoye communities no kura bebra network nya adwuma.
Abi ni ho. Network ni ho. Which one kwa network in Yeduma?
Okay.
New communities bebe. Which one kwa exam online?
Obeda ye.
Na upesa ufana na. Obeda ye. Na just one person ufano.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Good morning.
Good morning, Owoahene.
Yes, I would any baby or Casafi.
Evangelist.
Evangelist, me that's my inti one of pay.
You want to pay na minstramo. Said for this kasi. No cre. And one of me came with the first station. I buy so for 5,000. Security service no. The wafa no why there. Nemo mtadi na ye kano service no enye internet no enkoye. Oh, I don't know if I say Papa Mahama, you got some George. But my thing was about a new registration about SIM card, you know. But I don't know here, but only can you will you hear any idea faster.
No great.
If I would abandon another. Oh, when you decide the dear politics, I did board my study in one PP. Obi ade anya kwa no mutana ti no bojuma ampini nya juma kwa no bojuma ana oye ye yan yon sa ma se ka no kwa natural you are some George one here no abitu no ho ade so
yeah that say yam for people from good morning.
Good morning.
Would any baby or Casafi?
Uncle Piano Comedy.
Me that's opening my inti one pay.
And I pay the donors in some work at change. Now Lincoln Chen one day a issue the security as some working. I would yes in get a one on this year what I am I yourself. She said one gets out one say a year what for net a see the mine over to my woman I a dimana. I don't want to say 2 weeks whether what for a bay is manam mine.
Right.
And you know a could ready now feed a someone maybe a foundation region one baby carbon. So what could you for the heart back today? Wouldn't put it away. Street for our double ban which I want to change to shooting bad because why they in the fighting into fun the Dominion now for the whatever need to answer for the
right.
You don't get them point to see what from a script is for what ban. One more man who ban way.
Yan say that sebe no wadwenkyerɛ well Bretoba at this point no mame mfa wo dia edi awie on this first segment na yenkodi nkomo a ɛwɔ hɔ nom obeba on o microphone that's right
odi ma rekosem interior minister no dey abetu just say they have I mean as with the YEA
sure
efa police assistants fire service assistants military assistants and NADMO migration assistants but we shouldn't forget say enye permanent employment
temporary employment
contract employment
at say 2 years or so
say
2 years
okay. 1 year contract employment with the YEA under the YEA initiative Owoahene if we are creating employment we shouldn't do this this is the mistake that the NPP did with NAPCO.
NAPCO.
They mentioned your desktop. Yo, you create jobs.
Some say 100,000 jobs.
100,000 youth. Yeah, for woman under the NAPCO. 9 months. The NDC is repeating certain mistakes of the NPP in a different way. Sa youth yes say omonko ebi 5,000. 5,000 5,000 5,000 that is the 15,000 omenya not one so be apply and yet even they are not getting a permanent I mean job in the security service
right
they are temporary and we should watch it na yen sa na mo ni to say since she beti be gu akwema beti enya permanent jobs and a lot of guys going at the Galamsey site a lot of guys standing by the roadside Owoahene omo bokro no na ebi Galamsey yentimi nko a kostu nyina no adwuma eni wo I don't think say ade obi nim say di wo bebere no obekwa obi apese o ye adwuma obenya so
me da say nyame nhira anopai ne wo de a wo de eba ye Ade Akye Abia yeguso a ye koye nemu ye bewura enkomo no emu ena anopai egusu a ye koye nimu yi no na ye ka wo se Father Martin se nuri obetumi akwa bi se be ya ebetumi aboa na wade wo ho afiri yade ho okoba bia ye ton aduro Ghana ha bia onsa be kan Father Martin se nuri ebi fra wo mo 0242655444 wone wo mo entu anamon a ebetumi aboa na bibia aye kama ede amawo na anopai yewura eye anoba watena se ewo yefie ha enom na mema no ache na mama na kwaba mu amunim no emre bi atwam na oye constituency organizer edema ani PP amayuko no Tarkwa nso ayemu ha oye okan lead conveners no ho wo mo organize press conference kire niema wo mo ani enye ho no anope ya frene se omra na ye ni press conference no mu nkomo yewia enano pay so no constituency secretary enso yewura fusene oye obedwane ye ewo program so ono so beba be kirekire mu ensema wo mabobo so na namo a wo mutu afa ho ene registration ene ekeka ho no enkomo edi akire o se mote nyina no ono so de bebre mira anope memo wache na mama wakwa aba wo microphone be manaba on ora anoba yes aha yes
oh mejoro
me bacho na wapo mu to saying
oh yes adam
yo
say you mo samiti
nyame ahirawo nyame ahirawo nyame ayowie ewo honom ye de erade ase na wadarumo nano ena mudin komo kakra mo friends am trofo edinkita ho ne nsem bi etu edwa wo hwe ya fidie so a ebi ne daso ya ye nyina ye hwe wo mo e YouTube eye Sompa FM live wo mo nyina hwe bie na no penti na chese nkoma ye di na no pay kwa echiri pa wada roma na mo nsem ne ye den ya poten na ye nya wankasa wo efidua mu hai no bie so ma ye na ye nhwe
yo Owoahene
yes sir
modikano michio
ye jo so abru aine
na mechian
yo
mu studio ha yefe
no kre
mitwem
aine
metatu kwan pa bia manam ha
sure
but na me nimi de na ha na na yakopon aka wakoma se mra na mama sha ha
no kre
nti sama abade a no modikano me de na se
yo
na mo de bomo
ye da se
if you see me wia me chia etifo a uchi bi na
right
this am na mentai ntina nti o ma dodo na hu ma cha
okay
nti in me nya kwanje na me try na me chia obia
o mo joso
yo press conference na ye yan shede ntia obia
right
na mum ye de enyin me bi a orokodo a onam do mampani bi yemu pi
Sompa 101.1
na mi po inja ami po in particular
right
men kada yebu fu po as such mo ha na was we mi hu ade am was suspended from the party hey sir well it was executives who was suspended wa abra won't to mention ade pocha why ya any now me yedie
ti mira wadarma obeben microphone kakra ma yen na yeda say
na me yedin
right
na me hwe me wurade na be
sure
nti sabi politics no so yemu bi no kan ye blood ho
right
nti akwai te se wafa eduro na account onko ntema o say wo nti bi politics no de
right
ya de obi anyi ho betum anje fi mu ya de amepe so obi ana na de a ope
right
nti ni mu no oma ya to nkwanta kakra se me bobbo na awasi ball na amre ball no me mboni ye ntiampem
right
na team fofo be fam
no great
no dem ko
sure
but ye kwa na ye dena se e wo team bim na nyame ye wadom no etukwan team bi be fa na etukwan oko na bibi ba wonsema aye na kai wechi team na e bono first na kwache ho na ade
no great
nti mo be ne de ebufu ni hina na chi ni be ya etutu anamona nka onye de yetu nanso yɛtui no mpanyinfo tena fo mu dwene hu dɛ wɔnhwɛ ma
ɛnsɛe
ɛnyɛ dama
right
because politics no yɛde nipa na ɛde yɛ
no correct
ɛyɛ na time bia meka ma asɛm a mede me nuanom Jehovah fo na mede me yɛ fato ho metie me yɛ Carrick ko Roman asɔre
right
101.1
ɛnso Jehovah ni nimpa fee dɛ me ko Roman asɔre ɛpɔ ne chapra na wɔde wɔn Bible wɔde aba wo fie ɛnyɛ dɛ wɔn kyerɛkyerɛ na wɔkyerɛkyerɛ wɔ hɔ no na wɔn kyerɛ wo yie nti na wɔreba wo wɔreba ma ɔbɛyɛ a wɔbɛtum atwe akra ɛde akɔma Nyankopɔn the same Bible na yɛkɔ Roman a use ɛkɔ Methodist a use ɛkɔ Pentecost a use no the same Bible na Jehovah for so wɔkita but wɔbɛba wɔ hɔ na ɛnya abɔta na ɛnyɛ hɔ na akasa na wɔkɔ the man of politics ɔte politics gide nipa kro na yɛ bibia wato party ni bra pa nsana akade ɔno kra won ten you outright tum ka choda ya suspend yɛ hwehwɛ won same ɔda jitu na yɛ mu bi yɛ de no wa man dam
okay
but ni hina na chi no yɛ ni na mi ma yɛ to aba so a sɛ be sɛ me to aba o mu da suspend them but me to ma ba sɛ ni baby a no to Sompa tia wana nationalfo ahona adwempem wo bai there obi a wo suspending ni bia wo party no wa grant an amnesty
sure
say bia me boa dia
no correct news e ba sa
wa grant no amnesty
aini
no che pinfo na trefo me hu there enyeme bi kodo a wan kodo ye oma ebinim wo bufui ebusua kura ye bo memetie mi krom mebusua me bo no me ne ebusua pɛyin so bi wo ebusua ni me na bibi record no onkodu ye na opede ofi ho a wo frem bo mama ne pepepe me se won kan che nipa ko ne de me se onya abota ana won fa nipa ko no ma ne mam itumi nipa ko ne kasa ha bo wan de ebusua pe nya wo pa de a nka de we ya wo de ayemi de ebusua no mefim de me no de ye penyin na eye no ebusua nti wa pese mo kofi a wo huma no wonu age me announcement wo ya announcement de ebusua pe ina bo no so pe do hia na manfo hina masa me nka ho amoho
right
ebusuafo no wo ba in their numbers na me nya abotari tie obia na sem ebusuanim na me ka che wo na ebusua no yere mmofra be na wo ye chi ne wo fasefo ye nananom no ina yere ye ebusua ne de ama ho because mpemfo no wo ba ye mahen na nde wodu mpemfo ebusuanim o mpemfo ebusuanim pa but ami amiti wa hwe mitiri ho hyan amina odi mi di ebusua pe nti min tumi nkada na me de mpemfo wo ho na wodi ami edi nti mama tabarodo na me de a kire won no na aha de no am de nya de no be na ha MPP no tema me organizer no masa na party ni akonno na takon so mi ha good day you MPP wala ti MPP a wala nampo na feel proud and man feel
time now you organizer
no me organizer no
eno be ye afi ben mu a
me organizer from 2000 2004 2008
right
my me cherry na yenya botare de my party man because what na ye won you hold my party man me organizer me nyam mamo ho party ni na me ye ma ho
right
it is me ho na wo frame le honorable KCBC ho masa ade me ye bia me jai baby odem ko kanka me member point asem police station wo frame a baby am wo bia no I have to go to the police station
right
na me ko so da me hwede da me nimpa kro no ya kana sema
okay
because I need my member
right
na enyama atete apansam
eba ne saying
ne ba ne say ni amekike hina na chi na bufu ba na ade hina no amnesty ni ba na ode hina
mo sign coffee
yes sign coffee
right
because ebusia de o ma me na ebusia no ye webusia gide bia we di we jade na mo me di o ma me na de dia o ma me na ebusia no ye busia nti se je o ma me na ebusia mpo na kwa ebusia foforo bia mu a omo ka ebusia ni mo asem pi omo ka asem pa ye mfrew because omo hu de wo ba dwane won kakai bobo ebusua no na mum onka di adefo no ho nti omo mfrɛ wo ti sɛ tete na ka be sɛ bia wo yɛ donkoni di ma sa de hye no nti yɛhwɛ hu de sɛ yɛkɔ baby mpa yɛkɔyɛ donko wɔ hɔ nti sisi ano sɛ webu ehende a ende na wo mayen kufie miti me executive member of the party nti me ni tuma metuma hye mmra na mmra no po no supo wo hye fi so na wo de abase na mu wo de base a o the executive one wo ha na wo hwe de mmra na wo de fi eso abase ha asefo no ye behwe na ye di mmra no do nti no na mo do executives no wo ho obehwe man party no ne stretches na adri na no we di nti na executives no wo
right
na nansen yo hana wo ye ne de eti de wo se on ye election ye lucy pa o ye lucy ni na ya da manya man ketekete ya o
okay
emra me ho no oba ne sai ne na make no emra me ho no se ba na say ye beto aba every 4 years bia ye to aba eyi police station executives na nhihye wo ho constituency no leaders na ye wo mu no ye tena fom adwene ho na ye shadow there e bia nde kosida ya ka be 5 police stations abom nti ye bakwa koye election ho ode ye de letter ma ho na wo grounds ho no won wonim obi a oye MPP ni wo ho
right
na ye de letter ma ho ye de letter ma ho na wo organize wo hu wi a wonim time ye beba be ye election nti ye bakwa na watoto honyama bibia fine
okay
yakwa enya he na yeso bi din sade yi nya organizer yi chairman yi secretary yema police station for nankasa
okay
atuaba that is proper democracy yema mo ankasa tuaba no mu de yi won krofo so wo yi won ankasa tuaba ne wodi yi won nimpa obi o contest bi na wenwi ni no ne burumfu because o contest na anyeye nti o ma na ho keka umma sai ka de won ye police station ho adwuma
otumi ye okay
na mra ye fi ho no ade na bese sign
Sompa.
Ensesan no efiri national and efiri constituency yimu
infi national na national no so ye nhwe han infi national national na region ni hina no omo ye nhwe han
okay
ene na kofa sa nyama wo yina bai masa ma min kan se hwe obi wo ho hu police station na wo no o ye MPP ni pa o ye ni dewdo o ye MPP ni onya hwe o onya hwe obi obekada ye police station executive enya bibia no odi ntroboa but o ye odo na o ye ade a opɛ onya hwe nanso ni ye mankata bia no o ye police station executive
right
ma area no wo mu no obi anhu na ye MPP payin wo police station na nkanka po ye kɔ ne ye kohia ho na o ye hon de opo de constituency fo aba no wo be hia ho nti nipa ko no hia hwe nti awodi boyade no many pa ko no contest
right
o contest na wan yeye a onimdo o call contest na wan yeye ebufu ni ho but if you no enya dem na ade ne ba no
okay
masa wo kit exercise book sheet bia wo benye bia na woni nam so wo hia wo onim wo affiliation onim party kura wo wom because wore ye die favor obi e bia me pede me gina MP na executives na wo ho no wo pe amena mereba no nti woni ma ye koro
right
na mum se wo bui adini ma o ya afrafra bia bema anhwe ya na ye kɔ primaries na menwin nti mo do me ye ne de me nya executives no be team up na mum party ni mra na o de ye di yedwuma no ya bɔ ato baby
party no mra no eno sesen
party ni mra no kere ye ko police station ho kɔto aba ye mfa yi police station executives
okay
no nam de me pe bibie favor mama hu nti mama wanye de ma de no no obendam na nimpa na oreba na o influence me na don't blame them nimpa kro no me blame the chairman and the executives of the party
edentia won chechire mu eyeden ya
yes in fact be a chairman of the party in the constituency party ni si chairman wona so so bi pode obampo na obegina as an MP a onu tumi ensin awo chairman no because on be ye MP it is so to me influence ma wa de ode ma ye police station ye koto aba no sa ma yanto aba no wo de paper
amamo antwere din
dabi yanko police
Uncle Trading.
Dabi.
And on what did the paper?
What the paper and what name and what your chonko food in what they album. Into your man, one and what your police station executives or that now were expected there. And go Baba to Abba, if you hope to maintain in a position. Or Baba to Abba. Now, so what no contest if you put 1 year, why you be that?
Right.
But it didn't impact when they have fun konechi. Into not way you know executive. Into time they do now work control about you know about call abominable.
Nani din.
Abla na only me do executive member obiam by obiam boyi nomination obiam contest into only me do constituency police station executive so about course we didn't across some of the constituencies in this country.
Okay. Inti ye bata kwa ha no na police station say hefa and na man hunu saa de no say saa na ekoso.
Oh, pass no da me no call.
Okay.
And the CCA what the guidelines are there.
Okay.
Ya bofum. Enyama na yeso ye no. Ya nhihye ne ye. Ya bofum. Nti ya bofum CCA na say me kwa hihye me nyama bio a ode me hihye ne ye. Ama baby am bofum no. Mansana bofum wo bio. Nti party no etu committee bi a wo fra no Michael Kwe committee. About the whole country, all the constituencies will be a team. And I don't want to report to Quay.
Right.
Report on what the Quay Army Amity, me myself. What the question painful and him, our national. Intinos, a neck foot of food, no one who there, eh? And Yama, what the banner, if you were hot day, ye Juma. Now, more he know day, Juma. Aha day, aha. Or they have more than they are because party nankasado ni foundation ni only ni base party biano police stations no my party by your party into no man paying for say when you 2 minutes na wopede wo bana wo contest president na MP a wo tu anamon fi akra na wo constituency a ya ho fa wan ntina constituency office o ya do ko police stations
right
no wo ko shia manfo no won kasa na yi no ba ndam dey wan yen ndam no ina wo de abade okay sisi an yen ne ti dey first ni biu yen yama no butu yi no ya hihye no fofo na ya hihye no fofo dia onam the party na nkasa ne fapem owo police station so police station wo bufu a ka hu de eleko inti sisi ano nhihye ya yeni
right
buku a ye beturo di na gum oni inti se buku ni ni dia wo kwa one for book no police station.
Right.
Police station, your police station chairman, your police station secretary, your police station woman organizer, your police station youth organizer, your the many you know, and son your electoral area coordinator.
Okay.
Into work one for forms no farm coordinators no. No coordinator no farm comma chairman no and not police secretary no or police station. Now one started there. Obetudi. Na mo medi ni so woro chiro no. Yere in such a way there the national yet to ya banala. Sisi ame mikro me ye Tarkwa banso. First time to about Tarkwa sana ide. Nti mu hu de no e bia na da chi bi me makwa pre bibi e wo mukrom. Na mko obekere na sa wo de to wa ba wo Tarkwa. Ya mpene ma enye da ma de no ha. Nti me transfer me vote. Me transfer me vote.
Right.
Efi Tarkwa ha. Tarkwa banso.
Right.
Nti na nsa ba ye tu yina no moto no Tarkwa banso.
Right.
Nti sada me dia won fan ko na obi a oto aba woni police station bia no onko register wo.
Okay.
Nti ame ma ye madwe ne mo Tarkwa nti me move straight and dem ko Tarkwa banso. Na mo wa no nkofo frefrem Mr. No me executive member o. But must say me boy me phone reach you na me show there course oba that day no. Must be say ba wa send the exercise book ni na what read da me nyama ni bi o na me say I didn't hear them na what hihye you. Da ma I would win you abotar. Ben so na wodi kan frame first. Ben so frame no na me catch a guy ni there. Say exercise book na what read mama on pele ma won fan ye na me find out na mo be si bia no.
Okay. Right. And I will check here now. What's saying?
Now exercise book now what they're trying. Or you're wrong.
Okay.
wontro ngubukum na emu madwena won wonyan ni de na de madwenu so wonyan no wokɔ region na wɔkɔ akɔgye document no o raise issue no ho o ma secretary to the party e western region ka che no
okay
won ye ne te dem ma party na nkasa ne nhyehyɛ ti no aha no woni ma ade na wo pede wo ye nti wo se ebia na yakɔturo din no na mistake abem na ode ye de connecting fluid ye de ye mi choba ma animu ayabasa masa so ode adwuma hye wo nsa na pede ye adwuma na ode tin wo nwua na hwɛ ne adwuma no eye ne ye
nti wo frɛ mpanimfo no mmuaye bɛn na ye de ma wo
mmuaye wo de ma me no de wan ka de won first Facebook
okay
no won fan trodi
na wo frɛ regional na national
national na nipa ko no frɛ ma obo ma ne
okay
nti me so me pede me verify no where ni nti na me frɛ secretary
constituency secretary
I'm telling you some potia na meti anka me pɛ
o frɛ na wo sesan
me frɛ no ahyɛso oni me di nkomo but no onim da me na me nye ne rekasa nti echi na nakasa bɛyɛ ne dɛ Mr. Ano ban ni a ona aboni na me se mala na me se fuseni abedi nti na what the booklet am on there one fan register nkɔfo wɔ polling stations na fi exercise book na what the am on na ba sanai da boy big exercise book no the name e was sanai me no work say in the 12 and 11
na ye 12
aka 19 days no we registration because only 1 month
right
na what the buy
right
sanai e bia mana na what the book na kwa work through there I can't tell
okay
na baby am afre bia no o say and pay
obani mintwawa no mamenka ya tiefo se dwumadie nsiesie dwumadie bi koso ha enti se omote se bia dede bi wa akira na ye dwumadie na koso no nti enene ne kina ya ye be wie nsiesie no meda se obani obeto aso amaye
aya de iti ofrema a lot of complaint oye maybe see in Kamponase na Kamponase di no see no at the end of the day okuwie wo police station
right
but if you have a good leader of the party in police station crowd
nka emma right
mukwaje document no Tarkwa de no mukwaje document no the document no be serve members of the party e wo police station nti mukwaje bae no e se terminala
okay
either the chairman or the secretary mu betina radio so in the first no in that you have access to anything
media okay
sisi amanu rekasi ebi na obi hwɛ hani ebi retain nti nde no enante wonko obi do e be kyerɛ radio no do na aka no obi ate no obi ada no do but wo be no wanye
okay nti obani answer na o ye beto aso no mimi say o kan say uhunu exercise book one say o fresh secretary say omo the exercise book na your registration no response na secretary de man na ye de wo here
response o de man no thank you response o de man no there oh ona ba me kra no ma catch on mo say exercise book na wo de retro no wonjai na me say you are the secretary me kan your book there you are the administrator of the party
sure
into document bi we di fi akra na Tarkwa de reba no I want to administrator of the party we be si winsem na so we di si winsem dia o ye dan na nkofo di exercise book eye
okay
no say honorable ma catch on put the one fa omunjai na yem for booklet no yem fan ye no che na booklet no wo ho no mo kofa exact with the aim what is the aim adwena munya ya mo de yes ade no any dan
okay
into be friend no kan no na some o catch them ne day I spoke to him on either Friday or Saturday.
Okay.
Na some catch him there. Monday na loboko radio do na waka catch ma obi ate there. Or the booklet no or the rubber ma or the register. So oh the media na ye ne dam because tension na was sorrow police stations. You say him. Why anybody will learn chini. How can you do that? It's one hwe no wonye ni. Masa anti hu susu arberians wadu me yen it the first no because me ye oba ya to the stand even party ni po ewum na kakasa ye wonyon guys bi na di wom obe twa wodo because in favor and kasa man in pakro na owo ho nti obe twa
nti secretary kan sa asam no kire wo no o kan se Monday obekọ radio so akọ kirem Monday no okoye
wanko
radio no so Yeah, had the onya my nene obebaha.
Monday no kind no
okay. Yeah, the nene obebaha no.
Mantishe.
Okay.
Na sa okwa yipa nka me the respect amo.
Okay.
Ode hu dem so me elderly member of the party.
Sure.
Position e kita no, make it a bida. But I me de no po me ko round so pa nti me de why dance ya what in the search office.
Okay. Nti openi eba ne say ubisa secretary no eye de na wahuna wani nye ho na ubisa secretary.
Yeah.
Ni mu aye na ode ma wo say Monday obeko radio so where the dancer say wanko. Nti wabo party no wabo party panyin no so amane say opanyin eye chairman say chairman secretary adwuma ye nyina na ye say ni say na si ye na wanye nti wo so fa wano tumbi wabo watu sana mo no
uza mesre
aine
chairman chairman
aine
maza me friend kran hamom because the party administrator now on a document no only the secretary.
Okay.
It is secretary the minimum.
True.
Secretary the minimum I don't know chairman.
Okay.
Secretary the minimum.
Right.
It's a chairman no. Me no kasa no kado oh sad ba da me dey na frɛ chairman so na bo me ka che na wo na secretary but chairman na mane dey no stand no ba frame na day na waka. Because as at that time no me executive member.
Me da say enti press conference na mo ye bottom line is said dia na mo hwehwe.
Your bottom line there. Ma osi mpani bi na oma party mba pi wo bufu ina e dem people fu ya ka say yankrofo anto aba den na wonkrofo ato aba bibi na esi nti na wonkrofo na anto aba because MPP that you pay in your enormous na wo kokoto aba nti takwa so mi city na who dare you I will be to my city ya city o city ya nyanka aha your orphan constituency
no great.
Inti ya nhwe madam ade no onsi bio the paper na what call round church din na no yeah madam ade no on badu bio inti ya press conference na ya mampemfu na ate there nhihye na what be no takwa so ye executives no when did
inti na no na mo ye press conference atene nansa ana bibisa omo jai exercise book no ana say omo da so eyisu
baby am afraid bia no what's what the
booklet na na.
Any that my friends say.
Okay.
Also what the booklet.
International mo press conference na so aba.
Waso aba na asempa pe bi sufie asempa pe bi o manti.
Oye.
Asempa pe bi sufie chi.
Eba.
Inti ya de no. Ya ye ni bielo. Wasa sa wa tu MPP ni me ye for your future.
Okay.
Inti me atifi ama ye wadwen there. Ya koye press conference ye di gains obi na ye support obi nti na da bi o. Once a woman nomination e dey. Amemi obi ana fa me MPP afa.
Right.
Mum seri ade no onye na ade no go against us ono ye mu binimu no ye be sorry
ofani die na be ma takwa MPP esi ne nadaye mu te se emre bia na wo organizer no sesi die na be ma MPP asen akoduru sa abere no biem
ma se wasi achia
emuye
sabe wo pese wo ye politics wo de kasade
okay
bunimpa ukasei mu bibiari ye chie nimpe bia no hwene ye
okay
because uda bibia no nti at the moment ukasai no obeye basabasa no ebetum nkofu pii mfintinua
right
masa faka baby ensunka se wo manyama ye ya wallahi talai city ya are rented
mo be sanyaje
I tell you
me da say obani mamim hwe se menya afrefo ba ko mienu bi na time na so me ne secretary so be din komo ba mamim hwe se menya calls be mienu bi dia wie me no die ya anope na network na jeje pa but mamim tran hwe 0546618774. Hello, good morning. Udini baby okasafi kwajo me da se mayenti wa no petew nyame adom me ho ye pa
Papa, the second time, don't forget next 4 years.
Yes, sir, that's a good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir, James Kofi.
Owoahene Acheampong na honorable Anoba Michanipa na work assembly. What is teaching one jack, we are papa, one jack, right. NPP for the party, cease in our here. And your Maponia, look at it in Korea and the Takwa for Bofu.
Okay. Yeah, that's a good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Owoahene.
Yes, sir. Kwame Kwache, Tarkwa Banso.
Fantastic, Owoahene.
Me da asema miti o Kwame.
Owoahene, I'm going to straight. I think I'm